Hey, I'm going to do a tutorial on getting to Prodigy. I'm going to be working with younger grades, kindergarten, first grade, second grade. I'd like to stay down there. So I know that from first grade, I believe up to sixth grade, you can actually use Prodigy. So I'm going to go ahead and show how to get there. So you're going to look on your home screen. So for your internet, mine happens to be Google Chrome. You can use Firefox or Internet Explorer. You go there and you double click. You wait for your page to load. And once it loads, you're going to go up here to this white bar and you're going to click up there and type in the website. So you're going to type in www.prodigy, Prodigy, game.com. Hit enter. And wait for it to load. And if you already have an account, you're going to go up here to this white button and hit play Prodigy. My son told me that when they first start in a class that they get a class code, a username, and a password given from their teacher. So that would be something I would have to do if I have a class. Okay. And then to continue, there's Prodigy right over here on the left side, and your username in the first bar. I'm going to use my son's account. Type in your username, and then right underneath is password in this little white bar too. And type in your password. Right underneath that is a brown box that says login, and then click on that. And then my son has been playing this for a bit, but you'll be able to get in here with the first time you get in, and you can pick a boy or a girl and choose some of their clothes. This is it, and it will actually give you its own tutorial on how to play. So thank you guys for watching.